When transporting the grain bagger, the conveyor or auger can be pulled behind. Remove the view panel on the left side of the tunnel wall to allow for rear view during travel. When installing the bag on the bagger, consider whether you want to pull from the inside or outside of the bag, and install the bag in the desired direction. To prepare the bagger, loosen tunnel straps and lower the bag pan. Load the bag onto the cradle, lining up the center mark of the bag with the center of the cradle. Secure the bag to the cradle with the straps provided. Lift the bag onto the tunnel of the bagger using the winch. Slide the bag onto the tunnel all the way to the front. At this time, check that the bottom of the bag is on the bag pan with the tighteners lowered. Undo the straps on the cradle, remove the twine on the bag, raise the bag pan. Pull one ply of plastic out to the back edge of the tunnel. Install the 2 tunnel straps, tighten just enough to allow one ply of plastic to come off. Pull the bag out from the bagger and seal the bag. We recommend the 2x4 method for easier cleanup at unloading time. Raise the tighteners on the bag pan. Always back the brake pressure off before starting a bag. You are now ready to begin filling the bag. When grain starts moving the bagger forward, set the brake pressure to fill the bag without overstretching.